You know, say me nah pretend and me nah lie no more. Me have a message where me have to share with my people because me find out say, you see black people, slavery couldn't go on without black people, you know. You see black people is one of the most leading slave traders out there right now. And this is why I say that. So I am a Jamaican who thinks say, me did have to come a foreign to make life. And yes, that is true. Me did have to come a foreign to really know what I was missing, what I had, you know. So me a plan to move back to Jamaica, self-deport myself, go back to Jamaica, and this is the reason why. And before enough people come and say, me dey a foreign for 10 years, I'm waste my time and all of them things there. This is me. This is the time I'm waste. You understand what I mean? Me do all of the things them, yes, and yes, I am an American citizen. And see my Jamaican passport them there. So I've been around the block. And this is my experience. When we would have post some video and me talk about Jamaica, a lot of people have comparisons and they must say, you know, them have how much in land a foreign and all of them things there. And shout out to anybody who have them house and land a foreign. Congratulations to you. Come understand. It's not boy. Put you that place. You have to put in work to reach there. So big up to you. But this is not aim at you though. This is a personal thing. And for some reason, that's why when me hear my brother them, one time I used to encourage my brother them say, yo, put some string for no come a foreign. And the man them never really have no foreign minded. The youth them not foreign minded. I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna get to think about it. So you will never hear me encourage any more youth. Me not encourage youth to left Jamaica or left where them come to come a foreign just because them don't understand. Because when me come a foreign, you know, me the thing say, am I only way out of poverty that? You understand what I mean? Based on how my life is set up. Because guess why, you know? Enough of we live one life and we have family members and people from our community that go foreign. And them come back and them sell with the whole dream. They make it look like say, yo, they are foreign and I work all this money. But if you don't know the baboon and the salt story, you know when them show you everything, you full your hand of salt and the baboon go in at the hole, grab the salt, but him can't take out him hand, so him get trapped. And me say that story to say this. A lot of the time, our own Jamaican people them show with this whole life and make we think say yo when you come a foreign and you work and you put in the work and you grab the money, you can't keep it. But none of them now tell us say yo, you can be a foreigner work for the whole of your life and still not see the use of what you work for. And me can talk of a personal experience. Me come a foreign and me sit down in a work because my people them, me was a man, me no do no bandolo, me no do no scamming, me no do nothing at all. Because you have to understand. Because remember, you know, before me come a foreign, people say me I go dead and people say me now come out to nothing. So me couldn't come from Jamaica now and me I go play exactly to where they must say. So me do my thing, start out my paperwork, get work on them thing and say me I work for my own. And with that said, me get to learn the truth about foreign. Yes, work will always be there. As a man who come from poverty, I will never be content in a life where me I put in all of the work, me I work, and what me can show don't match the work me I put in. For example, a lot of people talk about what them have a foreign. And if you ever come to me and you ever brag upon where you have a foreign, it really show me say, oh, me and you have different concept of success. Because no matter where you own a foreign, you know, that is just piece of paper. Paper get overturned all the time. Paper, we never go into that. We don't have to do our own research. But we sell this life of foreign and we sell this dream and we make people believe, say, yo, no better than they are Jamaica. And, you know, we have to left Jamaica to really see what go on. And in some cases that is true. You have to left Jamaica to see what kind of paradise you run left. You have to left Jamaica to see, say, yo, Jamaica is a real paradise among the top places in the world. We are talking about Paris, we are talking about Spain, we are talking about Morocco, we are talking about everywhere you can go and you consider a paradise. Because me as a man, I love travel. And when I go out, I like to walk the streets. I don't like to go out as a tourist. I like to detour and go in the slums and just walk the street. And me can tell you, say, yo, I see the world. I see the part of them not show up on TV. Everywhere has bad stuff. Everywhere has a pile of garbage. Everywhere have crime in this world. And as Jamaican, I can tell you, say, yo, enough Jamaican will never go foreign. Barely have education, can use a farm and turn themselves into somebody. Own things. And I can tell you, say, you have enough people there at work and have how much in thing, and them are peasant of foreign. Them are peasant of foreign. They not tell the truth. So me, they have to tell the truth. Me not sell out one next one of my brother them and make them not know what them are come to. Yes, foreign is different. Yes, not for the people them hungry they are foreign, you know. Because it is out of sight, out of mind. You can come out foreign, you can live the most fuck up ways, but you have that 1 week where you go to Jamaica, you spend everything, you take out, you broke your saving pan, and you go down. Just to show off for your brother them. Just to show off, go turn your uncle and your auntie in a shoes clean and them thing there. But you know, make people know, say, yo, you're there foreign, I live off a tin food like tin cat. I live off a tin food like your animal. You get me, I say? And when you go talk about the food where you eat a foreign, Jamaica have a land of food and water, you know. I export cat food and garbage and pies in a tin because they want foreign food. You understand what I mean? So, me not go be one of them where I go sell out my brother them and tell people, say, yo, yes, this is nice. Yes, this is nice. And me did have to come and foreign to experience this, you know? So, as a man we do both, see it there? I mean there, you know? I mean there, man. See it there? I mean there, man. Don't feel like a cat, man. I mean, man. You see me, I say? So, this is not just a sham. Me an American citizen. And I'm proud to be. Because it sure say, yo. It sure say, yo, me come and me do what was right. I'm about my paperwork. I'm about my business. I stand on my business because nobody now go stand on my business for me. Rightfully so. So, how me I deal with my business, me don't need nobody to even talk about it. But me have to be truthful. Enough people are... Me, I move back to Jamaica because my freedom is important. Because, let me show you nothing. Enough people, they are foreign, you know. Say, for instance, they are foreign and you work on 4 grand of foreign. When you're done, you know, when you pay insurance, you pay bills, you pay mortgage, you pay, if you pay rent. When you're done, you know, and you done pay what you pay, you know. You live worse than a man where they are Jamaica where you throw a partner and I work $5,000 because number one, when him done, him can say 70,000 all time 100 where him throw. Versus when they are foreign, if you work 100,000, you barely have 5 out of it. Enough people not talk them things there. You understand what I mean? Enough people make the sacrifice and them do it because, you know, but remember me telling you, you know, you can check up history, you know. Slavery could not happen without black people. Slavery could not have happened without black people. And you can bring it, you can look back all of them years back, remember, you know, the white man them come and them get one and two black people to do them work for them.